Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna continue my previous video. It's still about the CSS which we can apply on bricks. And I recommend you to watching the previous video because maybe if you only watch from this video you will confuse what I'm doing. Basically I have created some of utility classes, and as you see I have a color system. I have utility classes for align system, for justify content, align items again. Yeah, it's flex. This align item is for flex, and I have a typography system here, font size variation, font weight variation, and I have spacing here for margin, padding, and gap. Yeah, basically it's that's all I need. And I plan to make a news website, and I will not use Figma design, but instead I will just create a layout from these two websites as reference. This is CNN. This is the one of the best news website on my country. It's thetik.com. I love with the header and some part of loop layout, and I love this font, and yeah, some part of the loop layout. See the different between the news website and the other website is they have a many variant of loop layout. So this one and this one, this one with this is the same. Oops. But yeah, the difference is the post, the total of posts on the loop. Oops, why am I highlight this wrong? Okay, here. And yeah, this is this same with this. I think this is the same with this. Yeah, and same with this. Yeah, there are many variants of loop which I will make it as a template so we can reuse it. Create one layout and we can reuse it on another part of the web page. But I will do it later. The first thing is I'm gonna do is I will create a CSS variable. So it's 1 a.m. almost 2 a.m. in my place, and I'm gonna watch Champions League between Inter and Barcelona. So I hope I can finish this video as soon as possible. So let's start with root, and then let's create our let's make a comment. Let's say it's a color. Okay, and let's sort by the primary color, primary light. Oops. Primary light color. Yep. And secondary color. and secondary light, and then we need an accent color. It's the standard of the web color system. I think we need to have an accent color. Accent. Yep. And then I need a black color. And then white. And black, white, gray. Yeah, it's just a common color which always show up on almost every web page. And maybe I just leave it like this. So let's see our I'm gonna use the blue here as my primary. So let's see, open up your console. Hey, why I need to here. Okay. So this is the primary color. Okay, and the primary light. There is two blue light here on this part. If you see on this part, or when I hover the button here, I think I will use this part instead. Okay, and the secondary color is this. Yeah, you can put this as a secondary or accent, but we have a gray here, and let's see. Yeah, I think I will use the orange as my secondary color. And let's put here. And do we have a hover? Yeah, we have hover. See, when hover it, the color orange has changed. Here. Yep. But it's same. I think it's not the one. It's not the right one. Let's see again. Hover. Where is the hover? Instead they use opacity. Well, it's okay. So I think I need to make this here opacity 0.8. So let's refresh this. Okay, here. And for accent color, since we don't have an accent color, I will leave it blank. And this is the gray. Yeah, I think this gray, same with this. I will using this gray. Okay, where is the background? Here. the gray. Okay, here white, just use the F, the black, and I think I need another black color, black secondary, why black, light, and let's see, I think the black is not 0 0 0. Yeah, they use 0. How about this? Okay, let's see. Yeah, they don't use the 0 0 0, but they use this instead. Okay. Alright, primary color, we have primary light color, secondary light, black, light. Yeah, I think it's all done. Yeah, actually I can use the blue here as my accent. Yeah, I think yep, I will use this instead. So where is that accent? Black light color. The naming is too complicated. Primary, well, let's put it like this. Primary light, secondary light, accent. We don't need to have the accent light. Black, white, gray. Okay, cool. I think this one good. And then let's set our here. We change this color with the CSS variable here. So let's go to the app, and maybe I will use this, but it's different. It's kind of different. You need something like this. Where is that? Okay, here. So we need to add this is a $sign. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, we need to change this into the $sign. So I will create new file first, and then just replace with a $sign. Okay, cool. And then we'll just apply here. Okay, cool. And then here, primary light, secondary light. Okay, accent, we don't need accent light. We're white, black, secondary. Nah, change this to black light, gray. Yeah, I think that's cool. And then what else? Okay. So it should be like this. The primary is, so I just change this to primary, yeah, something like this. And then can I just remove all primary? Wait, I need to find a better way. I think I can just replace it here with this. It should be working, right? Okay, cool. And now I need to change this. Change this to here. Change this to this. Okay, that's cool. So what I need to do is, let's paste this here, and then change this. Okay, and change this too. I don't forget the comma. Alright, that's cool. Change this too. And the accent. And then we have a black. And the black light. And then we have a white. And then we have a gray. And which utilities. Alright, and I think it's all done with the color. Let's see, this text primary should change to our primary color. It's the color right here, the color code here. So let's compile it. I don't know, it's error or not. Yeah, it's working, I think. Okay, cool. We have a text primary here, text light, text secondary, secondary light, accent, white, black light. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think that's cool. And let's go back to our style, CSS, and now I need to have a variable for a font size. Font size. And let's sort it by, no, I have created, I think I have created the font size variation. Okay, here I just copy here. You can write your own size, font size. So let's change this to for FS, its font size 8. I'm using 82 of 0.5% scaling text, so that's mean the one rem is 10 pixel. So so the 0.8 rem is 8 pixel. Yeah, it's something like that. So FS is font size 20. It should be here. FS 14. fs 16, fs 20, and then fs 32, and I think the soccer match is started, but I think it's early game. There should not be any goal on first 10 minutes. fs 64. Yep, that's cool. Now I've done with the font size as variable. I'm gonna move to a spacing. For spacing, yeah, I have created two on the CSS. No, I will go with the font size. Let's go with font size. I need to make this working, this kind of step more easier, but since this is my first time using the CSS, I think I will I will learn more about it. So I'm gonna create a font weight variable. It's font weight. Font weight. Okay, it's sorted by I will call the font weight as FW 300, FW 400, FW I call it W, but I probably most of you call it W. It's FW 600, and this means it's light. The 400 is regular, I think. 500 is medium, 600 is semi bold, and now last we need the bold, FW bold. Okay, cool. Now I have done with the font weight, and then I'm gonna move to the to spacing, in case I need some margin, padding, or a gap. So just space, call it probably I will use this. So this, and change fs to I will call it spacing. Yep, I think. Okay, where is the style? Here. For spacing, I will add more. Maybe I need smaller than 0.8 rem. So if I need spacing like 4 pixel, yeah, I will use this spacing. And maybe 0, spacing 0. Okay, And now what else? Yeah, I think it's all done. Let's test it. Oops. Here, let's just test it over the framework we created before. Okay, cool. Let's start by adding section. It's just example. I will not create a website now because it's to aim on my place. So let's say we add some container and we add logo, we add a button. I think, yeah, we need to create our style for a button later. And let's what's this, justify space between. Do I have this class, justify space between? Hey, yep, I think. But it doesn't work. Let's see. Where is my CSS? We have justify. Justify content. Yeah, I need to add justify content. I'm sorry, I'm not really remember the name. I'm still not remember the name since it's made just yesterday. Justify content space between. I will improve the name. The naming is too long. Okay, let's see. Alright, that's cool. We have classes, and what I need to do is just to create something here. Okay, see, it's already using a value of space between, and then alias. I need to know what naming I created. Align items, align justify. Okay, so it's align item center, I think. Nope. Align what? But as if I remember the name, it will more fast. Where is the align system? No, it's not working. Align item here. Nothing wrong here. Okay, let's compile it again. Yeah, sorry, I have not minified it yet. I'm sorry. So what I need to do is let's just minify this first, this CSS first, and the output is this. Okay, let's see. Sorry, let's save. Alright, let's remove first. I think I made a mistake, and let's see how the naming system lion or justify flex. Now there is no content. See, it's just justify and then the value of the justify content. But oops, but I still don't have a lion. Let's see. A lion it items. This should be working. I'm not sure why. Lion items here. Here. I need to change this. So let's compile it again, and then go to app and minify, and I think now we have the lion. Okay, we have a lion, and let's reload. Okay, now I just need to add justify space between okay, and let's put this, and then a lion center, I think a lion. Okay, cool. And then let's make our button, let's say we need a background, right? The big color primary. Okay, cool. And we need the white text, so it's text white. Okay, cool. And then we need a spacing. The spacing for the padding is if I remember, it's padding PD top is T, and maybe I will add 20 pixel. Okay, cool. And padding bottom 20 pixel again. Okay, cool. Nice. So let's see on the front end. Okay, cool. So I think I will improve my speed of development if I remember the class name, the system class name, and yeah, maybe there will be, I should improve the class name and add more the utility classes. And yeah, this part is this video is, I think this is enough for this video. I will continue later. Please, if you have critique, if you have a suggestion about my method, my technique, or if you have any alternative way to do the same thing with a more simpler and efficient way, please comment on the comment box below. I will continue on the video later. Thank you for watching and just happy coding.